In this tutorial, the Student Profile Dashboard will be reviewed. You can access this dashboard either through the right side panel Data View and Solutions or via the link on the Orange Coast College portal page. The first page gives an overall profile. It is an unduplicated head count of all students who attended Orange Coast College in the year 2020 to 2021. If you want to view a prior year, uncheck the current year and select the checkbox for the year you want to view. You may also select multiple years by holding down the Control key and selecting multiple checkboxes. Notice that the title of the drop-down has changed to read Multiple Selections. To clear selections, deselect one year and all will clear. Also in this area are a variety of filters. For departments who are completing program review with other departments, overall data can be filtered by selecting the Program Review Unit or PRU. Most of us will select by department. If you want to view multiple departments, you also may do so by holding the Control key and selecting multiple checkboxes. To clear the filter, select the small eraser to clear the selections. The first page of the profile contains 7 different data displays. Each is described in its header. If you would like additional information on the data definitions, you will find it in the Data Notes section, accessible from the button in the upper right corner or the Data Notes link under the left side filters. You can also filter by selecting a bar on the graph. Here I have selected Hispanic, Latinx, and all other ethnicity races are now excluded from the data view. This filtering technique can be used with gender, age group, student type, and educational goal. The program of study can be sorted by using the arrows in the header row. Use this dashboard to understand who your students are. What does the data tell you about their program of study and educational goals? Do you have a large number of discipline majors, or are the students in your courses mainly there for GE purposes? If you are interested in looking at students in a specific course, you can filter to the course level using the filter on the left. Also, under Attributes, you can filter by honors and non-credit courses.